What would rather have, hope, or the thing you hoped for? Do you honestly believe that Jesus Christ would promise to come soon to the people he talked to face, but wait 2,000 years? You believe in Jesus Christ. Why wouldn't you believe what he said? Jesus Christ and all his disciples stated plainly he would return in the lifetime of some of the people he talked to face. Is a spiritual return, resurrection, and kingdom so hard to believe? Jesus Christ said the KOG was within you. Believe Jesus Christ first and foremost, not the teachings of men. The new covenant, the kingdom of God, is an entirely new system. He made all things new. If you are a child of God, then Jesus Christ is changing you from within. It's not about rules or sin, it's about Jesus Christ's love and your acceptance of that love to rule your life. The law is gone and sin is for the sinners who are dead anyway. Love is for the children of God, and it should lead your life in every way. First John chapter 3 clearly says a child of God cannot sin because Jesus Christ is in them. We now have freedom to love and to do what Jesus Christ told us to do. Why have Jesus Christ in your heart and not listen when he guides your decisions and behavior? Law is rigid and cold. Love is flexible and warm. Live by love, not law. With Jesus Christ living in your heart, you should not be afraid of the enemy. The enemy should be afraid of you. We recommend visiting preteristus.com, eschatology.com, preteristcentral.com, and allthingsfulfilled.com for more information. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video for more videos when they come out.